If you want to get a dynamic island on a Samsung A36 5G, you can get this actually by using Google Play Store and by downloading the Dynamic Spot application. You can also find some other apps, but I'm using actually that application for a few months on the different phones, and it always works pretty good, so I can actually recommend this one. So you have to just search for this specific application, download it, and after opening, you have to actually simply click next and accept all of these pop-up notifications. So first select apps. Now select from which apps you want to receive the dynamic island notifications. I'm gonna select all of them. Then click on the back button and go to the notification access, and from this screen you have to search for the dynamic spot and click on the switcher, click allow, and then you will be redirected into the setup app screen. Select draw on the screen and you have to stop optimizing battery usage. There we go. Click next again, and here we have to scroll for installed apps, open it, select dynamic spot, click on this switcher, click allow, and now as you can see you have to click done and it will be finished. Right here you can also get some pro version without ads and some customization even, but in my case I'm just gonna skip this, and this is actually how it looks. So when you receive any notification, it will pop up like this from the selfie camera. Just take a look. And also you can customize it up to your preferences. So for example, the timeout or some appearance like the display settings, the color, position, which is available right here, some kind of the animations. So as you can see, as default we get black color, but let's say I want to get the yellow one. When I'm gonna go back and play it, now the color has changed. And that's basically it.